Why do 100% of dogs think they'd crush it as humans? Because who wouldn't want a latte made by a Labrador? Let's see what happens when pups punch the clock. First up, meet Barquista Bella, serving puppuccinos and chasing her own tail behind the counter. Next, DJ Ruff on the decks, dropping beats and dropping tennis balls. Need advice? Therapist Max only listens if you scratch his ears. Downward dog takes on new meaning with yogi paws, leading puppy yoga. Every pose ends in a nap. One thing's for sure, in a world run by dogs, coffee breaks are fetch breaks and every meeting gets a belly rub. Would you trust your dog with your job?